Hi everyone, John Clark here. Now let's take a look at email AI. This is going to allow you to potentially copy other marketing emails as well as AI support for better content within your emails. So if we open up here, we're in the demo account, we go to templates and we click build with AI. This is going to open up a new editor. And essentially very similar with like your chat GBT. One, brand boards, which we can get into. This is essentially similar to your logos and things like that. So let's step back for a second for those of you that aren't aware of the brand boards. The design kit, this is where you can add your different color schemes, and then your brand voice is used for AI. So that way, if you already kind of have your persona, most likely from AI of some kind, of exactly what your business does, you can create a brand voice and then add different details on here. You've got all of your different details as far as like your brand name, the type of business you're in, target audience, all of these different pieces. If you use the scraper, it can actually go back and give you, if you type in your website, it'll go through and understand exactly what that brand voice is and grab all the right details. I recommend doing that just because it gets you to where you need to be a lot quicker. So let's go back into email templates and then build with AI. So this definitely works a lot better if you already have your brand voice created. So it knows your different colors and things like that. But you can type in your different pieces here, your business niche, your target audience might be small business owners, and then what is the goal of this email? You're trying, maybe you have a webinar coming up, and then this final one is what are you offering? So it's an announcement. So you can see here very quickly, it says creating an email template for the optimization specialist in the coaching and consulting niche, targeting small business owners. The goal is to now announce an upcoming webinar. And we could add details to that, but let's just click generate email here and it's going to go through. While this is building, one of the other options that you can do is you can take an email that you've received from probably a really good marketer, and if you are able to view that in a website editor, typically whenever you open up an email, the very top line or at the bottom, it would say view online. You could come in here and just say, I want to copy this email template and use my brand voice to accomplish that. And so it'll go and scrape that, it'll regenerate some new images for you, but essentially it will capture the feel and the layout from your favorite email marketer, which is very helpful, and that you can go in and kind of adjust it based off of your particular company. But it gives you a great starting point rather than trying to create everything from scratch. Okay, this took about 2 minutes. Because it does not have our brand board or anything on here. Obviously, this doesn't have our logos, but you can see very quickly this did a great job building a email. It's got a cool background on here. You've got a title overlay with a button. Logo obviously at the top would be replaced by yours, but you got a nice feel here. And if it had my colors, all of this would be inside of my brand colors, things like that. And so this is a great way to kind of get started. So you don't have to create this from scratch. But the nice thing is all of these are still editable components. So you can go back in here and edit all of these. This button we'd obviously want to send out to your registration URL, things like that. And then you can see, typical AI fashion. Here's what I included, things like that. So this is a great way to get started if you don't have an idea, or if you do have an email out there that you really like the layout of, you can get the URL for that and then copy that in here, or you can even just get a screenshot of that email and then attach it and then ask it to do the same thing, which is really powerful. Now, this is included in all plans. This just uses credits just like emails and text messages. So again, in a world of AI where we're trying to get things done more efficiently, I think this is a great help, especially because it automatically goes and grabs images and things like that. Adds a lot of details that I would not imagine myself as I'm trying to build this into a nice marketing email template. And again, if you have your brand board attached to this, it'll replace it with your brand colors and logo, not just a generic overlay. But that is how the AI works. Again, you can start from scratch there, or if you give it an example by attaching a file of a screenshot, or just giving it a URL from a email that you've viewed in browser, then it will be able to copy that and emulate exactly what you're seeing. The toolkit continues to grow. We hope that everybody's getting as much value out of it as possible. And as these features continue to grow, it gives you more tools to make getting in touch with your clients easier.